So here's the hump. The wheel is not pulling, it's almost in the air. That is not pulling at all, traction is only here. So in this case, lift up that portion with the jack, hydraulic jack, and since it will be that way, the wheel should pull. So I lifted it up here. That is in the air. But if the car goes forward, then this wheel would go onto that jack. So I found a flat rock, I placed it in front of the wheel so it will climb up onto the rock. Plus I placed two rocks, I'm not sure where they are, larger than these, in front of the wheel so that it will climb onto it. Of course it's in contact, almost.